I did. I rotated it. Let's go, people. Oh, gosh, we're on. Hey, you guys, so I'm at this co-working day in Naperville. Not the issue, trust me, because here comes Tanisha from the south side of Chicago, and she makes these amazing. There's not even a word for them. My mouth is still moaning. So look at this. She calls it a cupcake. It's a muffin with like chunks of apple and warm and crumbly. Paul, look at these crumble tops. Wait, hold on, let me back up. Look at that. It's like a streusel cake that you can just pop in your mouth. But just in case that's not enough, you get warm drizzle, not frosting. It's going to get jacked up in delivery. Warm drizzle in its own container, so you can like pour it on like Paul would, or you can just drizzle it on like I would. And honestly, like I ate it with no drizzle. It was amazing. So I'm going to post some information about it. She delivers to Chicagoland. And Joseph, if you're watching and you love your mom and you say something, I might bring you some. There's like 15 different flavors, tons of different varieties. That's the word. Thank you very much. And they're so fresh. You don't even have to, they literally just melt in your mouth like chocolate, except way better. So Tanisha, yeah, and she ships. We're figuring out the shipping thing. But if you're from Chicago, you should definitely hook them up. She delivers, for crying out loud. It's crazy. And you see this little girl over here? She's a super talker.
That's my chocolate baby. Right.
She's the one that comes up with these amazing ideas. So let me tell you some of the flavors. Peach Cobbler Surprise. Red velvet and vanilla chip with cream cheese sauce. Fresh strawberry and chocolate drizzle. Are you kidding me? But here's the one I'm going for next. Wait, I got to find it. Double chocolate chunk with fresh strawberries or chocolate drizzle. Or. You can do both. Guess who's doing both? So if you're local and you want to try these, I think we need to have a taste test where she would bring them all out. They're $4 a piece. And I'm telling you, I'm not a cupcake person. I would pay $4 for these cupcakes and any one of the ones that she would have. So if you're interested, put your thing below. Unfortunately, I've run out of friends, so Tanisha's going to have to figure out a way to connect up with me. But I'm telling you guys, will not regret it, and I will come over and split the cost with you. Bye, y'all.
Bye.